Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best ladle. Through extensive research and testing we've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget, if you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. OXO Good Grips Nylon Ladle. If you choose their set of 4 utensils, then you can save a few dollars. We only looked at the ladle from OXO. The ladle is made from nylon. It is heat resistant up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It's also made out of BPA-free components. There's a metal component inside its handle, and this keeps it firm and prevents it from bending. Plus, this ladle and all other utensils in this set are integrated with non-stick material. This makes hand washing quick and simple, and this product can also go in the dishwasher. It has an oversized head, holding a very decent amount of 5 liquid ounces. It's approximately 13 inches long and weighs 4 ounces. This product is quite affordable, according to many Amazon buyers. At the same time, OXO made sure this ladle is safe to come in direct contact with your food. The hole in the handle allowed us to hang this ladle on our kitchen hooks. Plus, some noticed that its straight handle is ideal for those who keep their utensils in a pot. The two main advantages of the OXO ladle are its non-stick material and heat-resistant features, and during our tests, we found it to be very easy to wash off, and nobody in our test group encountered accidental burns when using this product to prepare and serve food. Overall, its price is just right for this large ladle. Number 2. Ototo Nessie Ladle Spoon. When it comes to ladles, fun isn't the first word that springs to mind, but this unique and playful cooking spoon from Ototo is exactly that. This adorable ladle is shaped by Nessie the Loch Ness Monster, your favorite mythical creature. It's a lovely turquoise color that will work well with someone who likes having fun or a beautiful kitchen. It is composed of heat-resistant, BPA-free, brightly colored plastic that is also dishwashing safe. It sits alone on the counter and, aside from being simple to use, adds quirkiness and a dash of fun to the kitchen. It is a beautiful turquoise color and will complement anyone with a sense of fun or a gorgeous kitchen. The legs are useful and allow you to place your spoon without taking up too much counter space. This ladle is made from food-grade material, and it is also BPA-free. This product provides a fun way to scoop up and serve soups and stews, and you can also place it at the dinner table to accompany casseroles and curries. Pros: heat resistance makes it durable. Adds fun and quirkiness to your kitchen. Sitting design occupies less space. Comfortable long handle. Cons: some may not like the small size. Number 3. OXO Good Grips Stainless Steel Ladle. Whenever you go to a market or an online store in search of a perfect ladle, its weight should be the first and most important thing for you to consider. This stainless steel ladle is extremely lightweight and will assist you in pouring different types of gravy and liquids flawlessly. The stainless steel is directly responsible for keeping the rust issues away for good. Moreover, this ladle has an excellent grip, keeping the handling easy and comfortable. Coming with a dual-side pour spout, both the right-handers and left-handers can use it with convenience. We also love that it has a high-quality, premium finishing. It has a comfortable rubber non-slip grip that will prevent the heat from traveling to your hands. This ladle is highly polished and will look great at any table. This ladle is made from durable and rust-resistant stainless steel and will not bend or become weaker when it is heated up. The head and neck of this ladle are angled in such a way that it will not let the food spill out when you scoop it up. Pros: easy to grip non-slip handle. Double-sided pouring spouts. Easy to use double-sided scoop without spilling. Dishwasher safe. Cons: some customers may find it too heavy. Number 4. OXO Good Grips Brushed Stainless Steel Ladle. This stainless steel ladle features an angled handle for easier balancing, with a soft, comfortable, and non-slip grip that's easy to hold even when wet. Our tester found that the ladle basin poured smoothly from either side to help both right and left-handed cooks avoid drips and spills when pouring. Although the handle is bulky, taking up more than its share of space in a utensil holder or drawer, it does give enough of a lip that you can rest the ladle on the edge of a Dutch oven or other wide, shallow pot. Our tester liked how the soft part of the handle was long and wide enough to fit most adult hands but ended high enough to create this spoon rest feature. The ladle is dishwasher safe, and the handle features a hole for easy hanging storage. What we like, stays firmly within grip, comfortable handle angle, handle base acts as spoon rest. What we don't like, heavy and bulky. Number 5, KitchenAid KE006 OHara Classic Soup Ladle. Nylon ladle from KitchenAid comes with 1 year of replacement warranty. It is made with durable nylon and has a comfortable ergonomic handle. It can be comfortable using. It has a large head for easy preparation and serving. It is safe to use in any cookware, including non-stick. The size of this ladle is very large. The exact number it holds is not mentioned, but it can hold a lot. It is easy to clean and also dishwasher safe. This ladle is heat resistant up to 450 F or 232 C. It has a hole on top for hanging or storing. This product has a nylon fiberglass reinforced head, making it extremely durable, and the handle of this ladle has a subtly debossed logo. This product is also dishwasher safe. The KitchenAid Classic Soup Ladle is available in several colors including black, red, or black and red combined. These ladies look stylish and will suit a variety of kitchen decors. This product has a large ladle depth which is great for serving a variety of stews, soups, curries, and sauces. Pros: made with nylon, heat resistant, easy to clean, available in different colors and styles. Cons: it can be too large for some people.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.